The top 5 most luxurious prisons in the world. 5. Aranjuez Prison, Spain. Aranjuez Prison is the one which is famous for providing the family cell to the prisoners. In most of the prison, when the baby is born there, then the baby is sent outside for the foster and care. But this Spanish prison is different, which provides the opportunity that babies can stay with their parents till they're 3 years old. The cells are up to 150 square feet and feature private bathrooms and are typically child-oriented. On the plus side, when it's time for the kids to go to a real school, they'll already have more street cred than anyone else in the jungle gym. 4. Cebu Prison, Philippines. In Cebu Prison, the prisoners spend their time singing and dancing by choosing musical numbers. This prison is known for the rehabilitation program. This program is called CPDRC Dancing Inmates. It stands for Cebu Provincial Detention and Rehabilitation Center. The program is about recording the routines of the prisoners in jail. They then become famous, and people watch their routine daily tasks on the internet. 3. Hon Doc Bamboo Prison, Indonesia. This jail is a big shock for everyone who sees it. It is the most luxurious prison from the other Indonesian prisons. This shows the corruption of some prisons in the world. For instance, the woman in the picture was convicted of bribing a prosecutor, but the photo tells you that she's spending her weekend having her own air conditioner, refrigerator, and the karaoke machine. 2. Bastøy Prison, Norway. Bastøy Prison is a very beautiful one, which is located in Norway and provided with the minimum security there, which consists of small wooden cottages, and prisoners work on the farm. They're also provided with different facilities in their free time, which includes tennis, horse riding, fishing, and also the cross-country skiing. More than 100 prisoners live in these cottages. 1. Justice Center Leoben, Austria. Justice Center Leoben is the prison which is located in Austria and is provided with the equal rights there. The prisoners there are treated with full human rights and respect to every person there. The walls are made of pure wood, which has shatterproof glass and even included with the balconies, and equipped with the private bathrooms and shared kitchens as well. Prisoners are allowed to wear their clothes and live a normal life there, and also socialize with other prisoners in it.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.